Here are 5 tips for creating your own self-sufficient garden. 1. Know your space. First, the proper circumstances must be provided for food plants in order for them to flourish. Consider your space's lighting conditions before deciding on the plants you want. Is it sunny or shady? What happens throughout the winter? Is it wind exposed? There will always be choices for your location. It could only call for some investigation. 2. Be aware of the seasons. With the exception of fruit trees, many food plants are essentially annuals, meaning they develop, bear fruit, and then die within a single season of the year. They are typically divided into cool and warm season, sometimes known as cool and warm soil, types. Make sure you choose the appropriate plants for the season. 3. Seedlings or seed? There will be a wide variety of seedlings that are ready to sprout in your neighborhood garden center or nursery. This is a practical but pricey alternative, and the variety may be restricted. If you want a wider, more affordable assortment, consider starting from seed. Additionally, seek for compact or dwarf types if you're planting vegetables in pots or tubs. 4. Gardening for food. Tossing everything in at once is the single, most elementary error that novice home food gardeners make. As a result, there are times when there is an abundance of food because everything ripens at once. Avoid this through succession planting, which involves setting out the same crops 4 to 8 weeks apart, for instance, a row of carrots every week for 6 weeks. 5. Get storage skills. No matter how carefully you plan, there will inevitably be times of excess. To avoid food waste, learn how to store and preserve your produce. Your grandparents may have employed simple techniques like drying herbs or freezing them in water in ice cube trays, and you may relearn the art of canning and pickling. You can also learn which fruits and vegetables freeze well. If you want to start your self-sufficient garden or need more info, click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.